Quinoa salad with creamy avocado dressing. Prepare the ingredients. Place the quinoa and 2 cups of vegetable stock into a large saucepan. Bring to the boil, reduce the heat to low. Cover with a lid and simmer until the water is completely absorbed and the quinoa is fluffy, about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, cut 1 cup of cherry tomatoes in half. Finely dice 1 red capsicum. Finely dice 1 cucumber. Cut the kernels off 1 corn cob. Finely dice a red onion. Roughly chop 1 handful of kale and 1 handful of coriander. To make the dressing, peel and deseed the avocado. Then combine all the dressing ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. To serve, in a large bowl combine the cooked quinoa, cooked chickpeas, tomatoes, capsicums, cucumbers, corn and red onions. Pour the dressing over the quinoa salad and stir until the salad is well coated. Season with salt and pepper. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the salad. Sprinkle with fresh coriander and serve.